Mae deng mlynedd ers i ni lansio ein Hapêl Stop MS i godi 100 miliwn o bunnau ar gyfer ymchwil i MS. I ddathlu, gyfynwyd i 5 person sydd â MS i ysgrifennu llythyr at ein nhw'n iau, gan fyfyrio'r eu taith gyda MS a'r hyn y mae ymchwil i MS yn ei olygu iddyn nhw. Daethon nhw ag anwylid i'w cefnogi.
To myself, Zoe, 10 years ago.
Dear John.
Dear Caroline.
To Yinka, my fearless younger self.
Dear 11-year-old Liam, what I'm going to say might sound a bit scary, but something called MS is going to be a big part of your life.
It's funny the things you take for granted. You always presumed you'd be able to walk and run, to dance, to feel confident in how you looked.
You're about to go through a lot, but you'll live life to the full, so don't worry.
Life dealt a big blow to you with this diagnosis. I know you're worried about the future.
MS has some aspects that are not nice or easy to talk about. And while you are 63, not 3, you are incontinent.
At school, you'll try to keep up with your friends and do all that they do. You won't realise for some time why you can't keep up with everybody else.
By the time you're 40, it will feel as though you're in a body that isn't yours. Your walker and wheelchair will be your new best friends. I don't want you to feel too sad or scared of the person you'll become. The same carefree girl is still inside.
I assure you, the future is not so bleak. There is light at the end of this dark tunnel.
Life won't be without challenges. Yes, there will be lows, but so many highs.
Take heart. In the next decade, the advancement in MS research will be mind-blowing. Developments in science renews your hope that stopping MS could be just round the corner.
Believe it or not, there are going to be MS trials run by the MS Society. And they will be such a wonderful thing because you're going to get an opportunity of going on them.
You'll get this tattoo to celebrate joining the octopus trial. You'll talk about it till the cows go home.
You'll start taking the first treatment for primary progressive MS.
For years, treating progressive MS wasn't possible. You're going to help put progressive MS on the map.
The future is very different to how you thought it would be, but you'll still be you.
Always remember this. You have MS. It doesn't have you.
So say it loud and say it proud. You live with primary progressive multiple sclerosis, but it will not win.
Mae'r llythyrau hyn yn lythyrau go iawn a'r effaith y gallwch chi chael drwy gyfraniad ymchwil hamfodol MS yr un mor wir. Helpwch ni i roi stop ar MS i bawb am byth. Cyfrannwch nawr ar mssociety.org.uk/letters.